First, open Google Chrome and click the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the browser. From the drop-down menu, hover over History, then click the History option that appears. A new tab will open, displaying your full browsing history. On the left-hand side, click Clear Browsing Data. This will open a pop-up where you can choose what data to delete. In the time range drop-down, you can choose how far back you want to clear history. Options include last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, all time. For this example, I'll select last hour. Make sure the browsing history checkbox is selected. You can also choose to clear cookies and cached files, but for this demo, I'll leave those unchecked. Now, click the Clear Data button. Your browsing history for the selected time range will be deleted, and that's it. Deleting your search history in Chrome is quick and easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech videos. Thanks for watching.